Are you concerned about language barriers in a court setting? What about your basic equality rights in Canada? Is the government upholding them? Come and find out. Hi, for those who don't know me, my name is Karen. I'm the host of Thriving Talk, and today on my Know Your Charter series, Part 9, we are discussing Section 14 and 15 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms that address these topics. So, just a little disclaimer, I am not a constitutional expert. I am just a citizen who is interested in our constitutional charter of rights and freedoms, and I want to share what I learned with others. I strongly believe that we need to know more than ever right now a deep understanding of our charter of rights and freedoms, because sometimes it feels like we are on the fringe of some of our rights being taken away, and we need to know what the government is supposed to uphold and what maybe they aren't supposed to uphold. Okay, so let's jump in here. We're going to go into Section 14 of the Charter. So this is about legal rights and about having an interpreter. It says, a party or witness in any proceedings who does not understand or speak the language in which the proceedings are conducted or who is deaf has the right to the assistance of an interpreter. Okay, so any person who is hearing impaired or who doesn't understand the language or speak the language very well, you are entitled to an interpreter in court. It's really important that you are able to express your concerns in court and that you are able to fully understand what is being told to you as well. And this is a right that the government has said they will uphold. So this is something you are entitled to as a citizen living in Canada. Okay, we're going to go into Section 15. If you have a story that's applicable to having an interpreter in a court, let us know in the comments. Let us know how Canada's doing. Did they excel in this? Did they get an interpreter for you? Or did you leave the court system feeling like you weren't really heard, that you weren't able to express yourself? Because that's not really fair. So let me know, is Canada doing awesome? Or do we need to work a little bit on that? So hopefully we're doing awesome. Okay, so Section 15 talks about equality rights. So equality before and under the law and equal protection and benefit of law. So this is what it says. 15.1. Every individual is equal before and under the law and has the right to the equal protection and equal benefit of the law without discrimination, in particular, without discrimination based on race, national or ethnic origin, color, religion, sex, age, or mental or physical disability. We'll go right into point 2, subsection 1 says, does not preclude any law, program, or activity that has as its object the amelioration of conditions of disadvantaged individuals or groups, including those that are disadvantaged because of race, national or ethnic origin, color, religion, sex, age, or mental or physical disability. Okay, so let's discuss what this is talking about. So Section 15 makes clear that every individual in Canada, regardless of your race, religion, your origin, your color of skin, your sex, age, physical or mental disability, no matter any of that, you are to be treated with the same respect, dignity, and consideration. We are all to be treated equal under the government. So this means the government must not discriminate on any grounds in any of its laws or its programs. The courts have held this Section 15 also protects equality on the basis of other characteristics such as sexual orientation, marital status, and citizenship. The Supreme Court of Canada stated that the purpose of this section, Section 15 of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, is to protect those groups who suffer social, political, and legal disadvantage in our society. At the same time, as it protects equality, the Charter also allows for certain laws or programs that aim to improve the conditions of disadvantaged individuals or groups. For example, programs aimed at improving employment opportunities for women, Indigenous people, visible minorities, or those with mental or physical disabilities. Okay, so that is Section 15. How is Canada doing? Do you feel like the equality rights are being upheld? Do you feel like you are treated the same no matter your religion? Do you feel like you're treated the same no matter your gender? What about your color? Or how are we doing with this? How is the government doing at upholding these rights and freedoms, these God-given rights and freedoms that we have? So let us know in the comments how we are doing. And I just wanted to share a quote with you. So I don't know who the author is, but I thought this was very applicable. And it's, treat me right and I'll treat you better. So we want to be treated equal. We want to be treated like we are valued citizens of this country. And we will see that as we show equality, as we show value to other people in our country, they will reciprocate and they will in turn treat people better. So I think this is wise. This is some wisdom that we should follow and consider and remember, so that we treat everyone as equals, and in return, we might be treated even better. All right, well, if you have enjoyed this brief review of my Know Your Charter series, let me know in the comments. And if you know anyone who you think would benefit from a refresher of what exactly our rights and freedoms are, please share this with those people. Put this on your profile, on your social media, email it to a friend. It's just basic review to make sure that we have a strong knowledge of what our rights and freedoms are, because knowledge is power. And in a time where sometimes we're not sure if our rights are being upheld or not, we need to know. We need to know what our rights are. And when our government upholds our rights properly, make sure you commend them for doing their job. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye.